Natural and man-made beauty combine in Barcelona with a backdrop of sunny weather framing the city's greatest icons. The city's most recognizable spots in the Sagrada Familia taking a commanding position over the city skyline. Barcelona's architectural wonders don't end there, however. The city is a home to several architects' masterworks. Lose yourself in Barcelona's winding gardens and public spaces. Catch up on city's long history or sample art museums preserving the best in Spanish and European art from ancient times to today.